Polisorb, saving humanity from toxins. Planet Earth, majestic and wide in scale. Millions of processes and reactions are occurring every second. Beautiful and bewitching. Mysterious and scary. Everything that is influencing us and our surroundings. Man is at the peak of evolution. We explore space, invent new technologies, and improve ourselves. Do you ever wonder how many harmful bacteria surround us while we engage in everyday actions? Our body receives not only nutrients, but also microwaves daily. We are turning our body into a dump the same way our planet is getting affected. Besides necessary nutrients and microorganisms, harmful substances, pathogens that cause diseases, get into our bodies while we eat. These can damage the mucosal cells, causing inflammation. As a result, the appearance of redness and swelling is possible. A massive release of fluid and toxins from the inflammation into the intestinal lumen occurs. Diarrhea develops. Symptoms of intoxication are reflected, along with abdominal pain and diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, fever, weakness, and general malaise. This is a small part of the consequences of our attitude towards nature and the planet in general. Are you aware that every second person on the planet suffers from an allergy to fruits, milk protein, nuts, pollen of plants, and many other things? An allergen that enters the body through food, air, or skin contact has become the new enemy of man. When an allergen contacts the mucosa, violent cellular reactions occur with the development of local inflammation and swelling. Sneezing, tears, itching, skin rashes, and diathesis in children appear. In severe cases, life-threatening symptoms may develop: choking and swelling of the face and the respiratory tract. All these are the consequences of man's modern daily lifestyle: stress, wrong nutrition, bad ecology, alcohol. Toxins get into our body through the gastrointestinal tract. Salts of heavy metals, radionuclides, organophosphorus compounds, and many other substances that we encounter on an hourly basis are poisons for us. Upon contact with the mucosa, these poisons provoke inflammation, and when absorbed into the blood, the effects include general poisoning of the body and appearance of diseases. Each of us should start working to save the planet. But firstly, it's necessary to start from ourselves, the elimination of disasters in our own body. But is it possible? How to clear our bodies from the disasters provoked by us personally? How to stop the destruction by toxins? How to protect yourself? Snow white, weightless sparking fluff. What can such a tiny grain of sand do at the scale of the whole planet? Obviously, one fluff won't be able to change the world and get rid of the pollution. Thousands, millions, and billions of fluffs are required to rid the body of the accumulated ecological waste and toxins, in the same manner as we are required to save the planet from disasters. This reliable assistant is called Polisorb. Polisorb has been helping people for over 23 years. The evidence base includes occurrence of more than 120 clinical trials and over 200 scientific research works. It is produced in accordance with the GMP standards. The basis of the product is the original registered Polisorb substance. Polisorb has no analogs due to its highly active substance and special mechanism of action. The sorption surface of Polisorb, the area from which it collects harmful substances, reaches 300 square meters only for 1 gram of the product. This area is comparable to the size of our intestine. Polisorb is a gentle light powder of white color, an antiresorbent. It binds molecules of different sizes due to its ability to first attract them like a magnet and then stick the absorbed substances together. Polisorb acts gently. It doesn't injure the walls of the stomach and the intestine. The smallest particles of Polisorb envelop small, medium, and large-sized harmful substances, regardless of their size. This explains why Polisorb absorbs small toxins in case of poisoning. Medium-sized pathogenic bacteria, as well as large-sized allergens. Besides these, Polisorb affects the pathogens themselves with respect to the conditional cause of the disease. Bacteria get bound by this product, stick together, and lose their ability to reproduce. 1 gram of Polisorb can bind up to 10 billion microbial bodies. This effect is already observed after 4 minutes of contact of the powder with the intestine. The unique mechanism of the action of Polisorb makes it a universal tool. In complex treatments of atopic dermatitis, in diseases like atopic dermatitis, eczema, and psoriasis, a treatment course by the product helps to improve the condition of the patients. During intake, the powder should be dissolved in water and then drunk.